Have you ever imagined owning property that not only pays for itself, but puts some money in your pocket? I mean, maybe you're looking for retirement, maybe you're looking for some freedom to take some vacations and not have to worry about whether your boss is gonna approve the time off or not. Maybe you just want some money to put toward your kids. But whatever the case is, if you could buy a property that put thousands of dollars in your pocket every single month, wouldn't that change things? Wouldn't it be even better if you have maybe 10 of those? Listen, I get it. A lot of people are gonna look at my portfolio, they're gonna go, Daddy bought it, trust fund baby, whatever it is. Farthest thing from the truth. What actually happened was we grew up in Detroit, single parent mom, we got robbed, we were on welfare, it was tight. Honestly, we started to think we didn't deserve to have anything better than what it was. Tough times. And over time I found out it didn't really have to be like that. I started working with people that had positive belief systems and I was like, these guys are nuts. But then it started rubbing off on me. And then I started testing those things. Before I knew it, I finally invested in my first property. It wasn't anything great, it was decent. It was only $30,000 in one property. I had to partner to do it, but it worked. And he was like, hey, you know what, that was great, let's do another one. Let's do another one. Before we knew it, we got to 10 properties. And somewhere along the line, we ended up at 52 now. Now, to build a $10 million portfolio, it was not overnight for us. We had plenty of issues, plenty of problems, but we worked through every single one of those because we knew fighting for something that I owned was gonna be a lot better than showing up every day, 9 to 5. For me, it was about 8 to 7 at my corporate job where I had to like trepidatiously go up to my manager and go, hey, is it okay if I take 2 days off with my wife? We just wanna get away on a vacation. He's like, I don't think we're gonna be able to swing it. Yeah, sorry for asking, boss. No more of that. Right now is a massive opportunity. It's a gold rush for short-term rental investing. And you have the opportunity to take advantage of it as much as you want. But the issue is most people won't actually take action. They'll say, I don't have enough time, money, experience. And that's where we come in. That's why we created the STR Legend Mastermind. No matter where you're at in your STR journey, we have a path for you. This isn't just another course, and it's not just your average community. This is really special, this is high level, and it's custom made for everybody involved. This is a proven roadmap to building long-term success with short-term rental investing. That's right, there's no guesswork, there's no wasted time, just real proven strategies that actually will work for you. This is the proven roadmap to building long-term wealth with STR investing. And that's right, no guesswork, no wasted time, just real experience with proven results. We offer 3 levels of membership. So whether you're just starting, you're looking for some additional expert guidance, or you're ready to be in the room with the 6- and 7-figure operators that you want to be just like, the options are there and they're custom tailored just for you. All right, so the question is, which membership is right for you? The basic membership is great for anybody starting to get their feet wet in real estate, or they think they want to start making bigger moves, but they're not really sure who to go to, and frankly, they don't want to deal with bigger pockets or these random Reddit forums. They want somebody that can actually answer their questions with real experience and actually hear them out. That's what it's good for. Then there's the premium membership. That membership is better for people that are really considering going into the short-term rental space. Once you have access to the video library and you're getting access to all the previously recorded calls from the STR Legend Mastermind, it really gives you great insight into what we're talking about at a higher level for STRs. Again, since it's not live, you can't be a part of that unless you join the STR Legend Mastermind. And then there's the STR Legend Mastermind. What's great about that is this is the spot. This is the place where you finally get to have access and be in a room full of people that are on their way to making 6- and 7-figure STR rental portfolios. When you're in a room like this of people that actually care to go to that level and they're thinking that high level, it's amazing. And you might be thinking, you know what, that might be too far for me. But maybe it's not. A lot of people started with 0 to 1 property. And once they got in there, they started seeing, oh my God, the sky is the limit. You know, we say that a lot, but when you're with a group of people that have continued to redefine how fast they can get to a successful position, it changes everything. And that's the group I really recommend that people join if they are completely serious about scaling with short-term rentals. Because you get all my focus. I'm in that Discord 2-3 times a day, every single day. Plus you get the weekly Zoom calls where you're in a room with all of us and we're looking at the same deals and we're coming up with our best analysis to make sure that each and every one of us stays completely profitable and sustainable with whatever we buy and whenever we bought it. And for all of you that might have 1, 2, even 30 units already and you think you got it dialed in, I promise you, you are still leaving money on the table. We've met multiple people that had 1 to 30 units and they were leaving tens of thousands, sometimes $100,000 worth of potential earnings on the table. And by making one switch within the first week or two, guess what? They were recouping all those funds that they've been losing on for years. That's why even if you're experienced, just know you should always have room to grow. And when you're with a group of sharp and high-level people like this, trust me, you're gonna grow. So if you're ready, we want you to book a call. If you're serious about taking those next steps, even if it's the basic, the premium, or the actual STR Legend Mastermind, we're ready for you. We wanna talk to you and figure out how we're gonna get you to the next level this year. Enough of saying, I'm gonna get to it later. Because that's you denying that dream that you should be living today. And trust me, looking back at how I grew, I could have done this so much faster. I could have done this so much smarter. And just think, if there was actually somebody you could trust in this world that would actually have your back and guide you in the right direction so you avoid all the obstacles that I made and many others before me did, how much money are you gonna save? The value is there no matter what membership you pick. But I want you to keep this in mind. A lot of the times we let price be the dictator of which program we wanna go to. But think about the value that you may be leaving on the table if you don't dive in sooner. Think about the dream that you're not executing on because you didn't dive in sooner. Listen, if you ever talk to a successful real estate investor and you ask them, hey, do you wish you started sooner or bought more? If they're not saying yes, then they obviously weren't successful. But all the ones that were successful are gonna say yes. So if you take the probably hundreds of thousands of multimillionaires made in real estate, if you ask them, hey, do you think I should go for it? Do you think I should make this move? Maybe just go all in on it? All of them are gonna tell you yes. So take that into consideration with your next move. So we all, nothing's gonna change if you don't. And this is more about mindset than you actually realize. If you're ready to change your mind and change your life, book that call today. We wanna talk to the serious people out there, and we wanna make sure that the people that think it might not be possible or they're on the edge of understanding what that difference is, we make them realize how real and possible this is. An incredibly improved life is completely within your grasp. And I wanna be the person that was rooting me on when I was in my corporate gig. I wanna be that person for you guys. I wanna pull you into the success kicking and screaming. So when you're ready to find that success and really see how incredible you could be as an entrepreneur and a real estate investor, we're ready for you. Book that call and I hope to see you on it soon.